Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to prepare 250 ml of 0.1 normal oxalic acid solution. Oxalic acid is a primary standard. Standard solution is a solution whose concentration is known to us. So let us first determine the amount of oxalic acid. As it is stable, non-hygroscopic, crystalline substance, its solution does not decompose during storage. It is a reducing agent. It is oxidized to CO2 by an oxidizing agent in acidic medium. C2O4 minus CO2 plus 2 electron. Loss of 2 electron. There are 2 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms are replaceable. Here we are using hydrated form of oxalic acid. The formula of oxalic acid COOH dot twice H2O. We can also write it C2H2O4 twice H2O. First we determine what is the molecular weight of oxalic acid. Multiply atomic mass with subscript given in the molecular formula. C2H2O4 dot twice H2O. 2 into 12 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 16 plus 2 into 18. 24 plus 2 plus 64 plus 36 equal to 126 gram per mole. Thus, equivalent weight of oxalic acid E equal to molecular weight of oxalic acid divided by number of loss of electron. 126 divided by 2 equal to 63 gram. 63 gram. Hence, for preparing 1000 ml of hence for preparing 1000 ml of one normal oxalic acid solution, we need 63 gram of oxalic acid crystals. Oxalic acid crystal. Oxalic acid crystal. Therefore, for preparing 250 ml of 0.1 normal oxalic acid, we need 63 divided by 1000 into 250 into 10 equal to 1.575 gram of crystal.